Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a little DIY I did using gold metallic spray paint. We ended up spraying several of our gold light fixtures for our new house. They were all different shades of gold and we just wanted to make sure everything matched. So we wanted to give this a go. So we just strung up the fixtures and hooked them over part of the ceiling to make sure that we could coat them really evenly and make sure that they would dry. I ended up doing 2 full coats of the Rust-Oleum gold metallic spray paint, and I think that it applied really evenly and it dried really nice too and pretty quick. I let it dry for about 24 hours. I will link exactly what we used down below. I ended up going through, I think, 3 full cans, and the spray paint was really easy to work with, and I would definitely recommend trying it. I also ended up spraying a mirror that you can see behind me here. And what I did was just kind of cut some cardboard to make sure that the glass was covered and protected when I sprayed the paint. I think spray paint is great because you can use so many of your older items. If you don't like the color, you can just kind of give them a facelift. And the kind of spray paint that I used for this project works good with metals, woods, and all materials. Again, I'll link everything down below in the description box. Here's how everything is looking with a 2 solid full coats on there, and I just let everything dry overnight. And I also sprayed the whole mirror because I just wanted everything to kind of match. So the last thing that we have to spray are the chains. So we just strung those up on the garage door and sprayed them and gave them a full 2 coats. So here's everything strung up in the garage and drying out. Everything is now all the same color gold. And here's the final result. So this is the fixture for over our kitchen table. And obviously it's tied up right now. And then this is the hexagon glass fixture for over our staircase. It is pretty big. I'm gonna link all the light fixtures down below so that you can easily find them. And then we went with 3 of the smaller hexagon glass globes for over our island. I think everything came out really pretty and I'm really happy with the final result.